Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy. So let me give you some important update regarding Ultra Combat exam that is going to happen on this Sunday. So guys, as you know, the Ultra Combat exam is exclusively for those who are aiming for GATE and ESC examination. And here you need not have the complete knowledge of all the subjects. All you need to know is aptitude. If you are very good, that is more than sufficient. So you can see here this is a chance to win, improve your GATE and ESC preparation. You will be getting a scholarship up to 90% using this Ultra Combat examination. So you will be getting up to 90% off on an academy subscription. And this is a real-time All India exam. So you can write the exam, you can feel your ranking with your fellow friends, those who are aiming for the same examination, those who are competing with you in the future. That is in the real GATE exam. So those all India level pay, every single student, many of them will be participating in this exam. So you will be knowing where you are right now, how where you need to improve yourself. All these things you can get. Other than scholarship, you have many benefits with this Ultra Combat exam. So let's move further. This is going to happen on May 22nd, guys. Please note the date and 11 a.m. In this video description, you have the link to enroll to this exam. So don't miss this chance, guys. It is completely free for you. Okay, so the exam, coming to the exam, the details of the exam. This exam will be of 60 minutes. You will be getting 30 questions, and the questions are, as I told earlier, quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. Okay, you understand? You don't need any subject. So still you are in the second year of your BTech, your first year of your BTech, you are have not started the GATE preparation also. You can write this exam because most of the aptitude, it is just like based on your common sense, you'll be able to try. You can try and check your performance and check where you are right now. And if you want to ask me, sir, why we need to write this exam, what are the benefits, I have already explained you. You'll be getting 90 up to 90% scholarship on an academy subscription. And other than that, you'll be writing this. It's a real-time examination so that you have a chance to know about yourself, to evaluate yourself, to compare with your fellow competents, and also to know your mistakes, identify your mistakes, and you'll be able to know how to rectify them. And few more points I can say. Okay, top rankers will be getting a chance to win up to 90% of the scholarship and exciting gadgets. I'll be showing you what are all the gadgets available with this Ultra Combat examination. And lucky participants, that is not with respect to your rank, based on the some lucky participants will have the chance to win Amazon gift vouchers that is up to 5,000. And these questions are not just like any other questions. These are the questions made by the top educators. The top educators made these questions, so it is of good level for your examination. And you can see this is the best and effective way for your GATE preparation. Any examination ka preparation, if you are doing for any examination preparation, one of the important aspect is to identify your mistakes, and to check how is your self preparation, to evaluate yourself. This is a very important step, that is to write many examinations as possible. If you write as many examinations as possible, you will be knowing how to manage your time, how to what we call rectify your mistakes, how to avoid the silly mistakes on real time, how you are going to perform, what are the drawbacks you have. All these things you'll be knowing if you write the exam on the real time. So this is the best and effective way for preparing for your GATE and ESC. As I told you, that lock the date, guys. The date will be May 22nd, 11 a.m. You can use the code and enroll to an academy Ultra Combat exam. The video, you can see this video link description. This video description, if you observe, you will be getting a link to what we call enroll to this Ultra Combat exam. So don't miss this on Sunday 11 a.m. guys. Okay, so as I told you, these are the gadgets available for you guys: MacBook Air, iPhone 11, and Samsung Tab, smartwatch, JBL headphones, and the Amazon gift vouchers up to 5,000. So if you top rankers, if you are in the top, you'll be getting up to 90% scholarship and exciting gadgets. And these are the questions made by, as I told you, top educators of the country. So you can get the real-time feel. You'll be coming knowing some good questions with this exam. So these many benefits completely free for you. All you need to do is share this piece of information with many of your friends and participate in the exam. That's all. Okay, so lucky participants, so irrespective of your rank, if you are lucky enough, you may be getting chance to win the Amazon vouchers worth up to 5,000. So this is one of the best and effective way to prepare for your GATE and ESC. Write as many examinations as possible. Don't miss this chance. Okay. So as I told you earlier, again and again, I'm saying a gamified examination with real-time ranking, you will be getting it, and it will also show you how much time you took for a question on an average, how much time it for any other aspirant. Like that, it's a very good real-time experience you will be getting it. Okay. So as the questions are made by top educators, you'll be getting the video solutions also available by the top educators. You'll be seeing, "Arey yaar, I thought this question in this particular way, but this is the right way to think about this question." All these things you'll be knowing about it. Okay. So please remember, the content will be based on quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning, and hardly you will be getting 30 questions, and you need to spend 1 hour of your time. So May 22nd and 11 a.m. Don't miss this. As you know, the code Shankar 10. Okay. So as you know, these are our toppers in GATE 2022 with the top six ranks. You can see top three. These are from top three. And many of your seniors, like these rankers, have participated in this kind of combat exams, and they have gained the experience. They have taken the advantage of this examination. So don't miss the chance, guys. So Sunday, though, anyway, you will be enjoying your full day. 1 hour you dedicate for your preparation to validate your preparation, to know how your preparation is going to. So don't wait for anything else, guys. Sunday, lock your date at 11 a.m. and challenge your friends also to participate in this exam. Share the link with many people and everybody. If more number of aspirants participate in this examination, you will be getting more real-time ranking. Thank you very much for your time, guys. Let's crack it. Enroll to an academy ultra combat examination. See you. Thank you. All the best for your examination. Let's crack it.